Ever pondered over the intricacies of importing goods from the bustling city of Dubai to the vibrant country of Pakistan? It's a process that involves numerous steps, each critical in ensuring the smooth and efficient transport of goods across borders. Now, imagine a scenario where you're importing an array of goods, maybe textiles, electronics, or even machinery. The journey begins in Dubai, where your goods are meticulously packed, following the highest standards of safety and quality. From here, these goods embark on a journey, either by air or sea, depending on the nature and urgency of the cargo. In the case of air transport, your goods are swiftly moved to the airport, where they are securely loaded onto a cargo plane. The flight, although short, is handled with the utmost care, ensuring your goods arrive safely at their destination. If the goods are to be transported by sea, they are transported to the port and loaded onto a shipping vessel. This journey, while longer, allows for the transport of larger quantities and heavier goods. Upon reaching Pakistan, the goods go through a thorough customs clearance process. This is a crucial step, ensuring all goods comply with the country's regulations and standards. Following clearance, the goods are then transported to their final destination. This is achieved through a network of reliable ground transportation, ensuring your goods reach their destination promptly and in perfect condition. So to recap, the process of door-to-door import from Dubai to Pakistan involves a series of steps. Starting with packing in Dubai, the goods are then transported either by air or sea, depending on their nature and urgency. Upon reaching Pakistan, they undergo a detailed customs clearance before being transported to their final destination. This process, although complex, ensures the seamless and efficient transport of goods across borders. Whether it's textiles, electronics, or machinery, each good is handled with care, ensuring it reaches its destination in the same condition it left Dubai. So, the next time you think about the challenges of importing goods from Dubai to Pakistan, remember, it's a journey of meticulous planning and execution, ensuring your goods reach their destination safely and efficiently.